Breaking news. MASH West Youth's Revolt Against Resolution 1. By Lynn Ems, the 14th of September 2025. Spread the love. A dramatic scene unfolded today at the Zanu PF Mashonaland West Provincial Interdistrict Conference, where district chairpersons, DCC youth affairs leaders, and provincial youth executives openly defied party directives by refusing to chant the 2030 slogan and rejecting the controversial Resolution Number 1, which seeks to extend President Emerson Mnangagwa's stay in power beyond 2028. Chaos in the conference hall. The meeting, which had started as a routine interdistrict gathering in Chinhoyi, quickly descended into chaos. According to witnesses, Politburo member ZVAITWA attempted to push through Resolution 1, but was heckled and shouted down by angry delegates. ZVAITWA, sit down before we have your liver for lunch, one youth shouted as tempers flared. The unusual outburst captured the frustration simmering among the youth, who accused senior leaders of sidelining them while clinging to power. Police intervention. As the situation escalated, riot police were called in to restore order. Delegates were reportedly pounding tables, chanting in anger and threatening to walk out. The atmosphere was so tense that some senior party officials were escorted out under police guard to avoid further confrontation. The complaints reflect a growing sense of betrayal among grassroots members who feel excluded from empowerment programs while elites allegedly enrich themselves. Significance of the revolt. This marks the first public rejection of Resolution 1 at provincial level, a development that insiders say could ripple across other provinces ahead of the Zanu PF conference later this year. No to 2030, the refusal to chant the ED 2030 slogan, a catchphrase meant to symbolize Mnangagwa's continued rule until at least 2030, is being seen as a political statement in itself. In previous gatherings, the chant was often used to demonstrate unity and loyalty. Today's boycott suggests widening fractures within the party's youth structures.